In this lecture, we're going to be taking a look at how you can configure your automated backups. On the RDS main dashboard, select the database instance that you want to configure your automated backups for and select Modify. On this configuration page, scroll down to the end of the page where it says Backups. So this is where you want to make the changes to your automated backups. So by default, automated backups is enabled and you can't unchange it. However, disable it or ensure that no backup goes through, you can set your automated backup retention period to 0. So if I select 3 days, then my backup will be stored for 3 days. And for the backup window, I had changed the default previously, right? So to make modification to your backup window, this is where you need to make the change. So if I change this to say 5 p.m. UTC, then a backup will be initiated at 5 p.m. UTC. So make sure you do the conversion to whichever time zone you're working with to make sure the backup time is accurate. For the duration of the backup window, you can set it to any amount of time you wish. So if you know that you have a large database, then you could say set it to 8 hours. And if you want your backup to be replicated to another AWS region, then you'll enable replication, right? This will enhance your disaster recovery. Let's scroll down to maintenance window. The maintenance window starts Sunday at 2300. So if the automated backup window overlaps with the maintenance window, then the automated backup will not go through. So if I was supposed to change this to say 5 and then select continue, right? And then select modify instance, then I'll get an alert saying, hey, sorry, your request to modify the DB instance has failed. The backup window and maintenance window must not overlap. So select back, let's scroll down and then change to a specified time where they do not overlap. Select continue. On this page, you'll get a summary of what changes will be made to your database instance. So for the schedule modification, you can apply during the next maintenance window, which will be January 2023, 1800 my case, right? Or apply immediately. I'm going to select modify DB instance to apply immediately. To view a list of your automated backups, you can select the automated backups link, select your current region, and you'll see a list of automated backups available to you. If you had enabled replication, right, on the replicated tab, you'll see the list of databases that were replicated. And on the retain tab, if you had deleted a database and you check retain backups, right, then you'll see your automated backups retained here. And this will be stored according to your retention period. In the next lecture, we'll be taking a look at how you can restore an automated backup.